Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical and cozy. How to turn on a gas fireplace in 2025. Whether you're preparing for a chilly evening or just want to add some warmth to your home, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and safe. Gas fireplaces have become even more efficient with the latest tech, but the basics remain straightforward. Let's get started. First things first, safety is key. Before you do anything, make sure your fireplace is properly installed and maintained. Check for any gas leaks by sniffing around the unit. If you smell gas, turn off the gas supply immediately and call a professional. Also, ensure the room is well ventilated to avoid any buildup of fumes. Most modern gas fireplaces from 2025 come with built-in sensors for added protection, so keep an eye on those lights or displays. Now, let's turn it on. Step 1. Locate the control mechanism. This could be a key, a switch, or even a remote control, depending on your model. For a standard wall-mounted key, insert it into the keyhole at the bottom of the fireplace and turn it to the on position. You'll hear a clicking sound as the pilot light ignites. Step 2. If your fireplace has a pilot light, hold down the control knob for about 30 seconds to keep it lit. Once it's stable, you can adjust the flame height using the control dial. For remote-controlled models, simply press the on button on your remote, and the fireplace should ignite automatically. Don't forget about the thermostat settings. Many 2025 models allow you to set a desired temperature, so play around with that for optimal comfort. Remember, always keep flammable items at least 3 feet away from the fireplace to prevent accidents. Wrapping this up, turning on your gas fireplace is a breeze once you know the steps, but never skip the safety checks. If you're unsure about anything, consult your user manual or a certified technician. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay warm and safe out there.